Throughout history, inventions have been made. On this video we will take a look at 6 inventions. If you know of more inventions, leave us a comment. 1793. The cotton gin was used to quickly separate seeds from cotton to make into material faster. 1846. The first American sewing machine was invented to make and mend clothes quickly. 1873. Jeans were invented and became so popular they were made on assembly lines factories. 1876. The telephone was invented and became so popular that it was produced on an assembly line. 1913. Henry Ford used an assembly line to build cars faster, which made cars cost less. 1977. Personal computers became more popular and easy to buy because they were smaller and made on assembly lines. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.